Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. I want to tell you about this beautiful 270 Sea Ray SLX white boat, all white, white interior. It's got a 380 horsepower Merc cruiser in it. It's absolutely immaculate. Start off by taking a look at this white interior we were talking about. One of the nice things on the 270 is that you've got a full walkthrough that walks through the back of the boat. Step down very easily into the cockpit. And then as we look back here in the back, we've got filler cushions that will fill that area in back there. You can see the pictures here on the listing. That'll make that a complete sun deck across the back, as well as a seating area here. You see the table base. Again, if you look at the photos on the listing, we've got the table in place. Gives you a great place to entertain and take care of guests here in the aft part of the boat. Under here, we've got a cooler that'll slide out. Keep your cold drinks on board right there. Two really nice Helm seats here on the 270 SLX, and you'll notice that the seats will adjust back and forth, swivel up and down, and also have the bolster so that if you want to sit up there and drive, you may. This boat is complemented with the Ray Marine chart plotter, as well as the Mercury Sea Ray gauges and the digital throttle and shift. This stereo system has a big amplifier and a big woofer speaker. Also, believe it or not, this boat only has 210 hours on it. One of the outstanding features on the 270 is the head compartment here on the port side. You've got your pump out potty in there. Plenty of room for somebody to get in so that you can spend the whole day out on the water. In the walkthrough, we can close this panel as well as our center windshield so that we can keep the wind out and keep the rain out as well. Here in the compartment under the helm, you've got a nice storage area, and you'll see that's where the table stores as well. Boat has a tonneau cover that goes over the bow as well as the cockpit area, so that for storage it's very easy to keep it closed up. You'll also notice this has the white powder coated sport arch on it. You can use that as a wakeboard tower, or it supports this big canopy so that you've got plenty of shade. Up in the front of the boat, we've got a great storage area under each front seat. And one of the nice features on this boat is that you've got over 6'6" of room and space for somebody to sit here and really enjoy riding around on this boat. So this is the 270 SLX 2014, has 210 hours on it, the 380 horsepower Merc cruiser. Fantastic boat. Give me a call, Franklin Pillsbury here at MarineMax in Fort Myers. This one will not last long.